understanding the phrase boon. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the world of English vocabulary and explore the meaning and usage of the word boon. This might be a word you've come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it confidently. So, let's get started. Boon is a noun, and it primarily means a thing that is beneficial or helpful. It's often used to describe something that's a blessing or advantage in a particular situation. For example, the invention of the smartphone was a boon for communication. Having a grocery store close to my house is a real boon. The word boon has its roots in the Old Norse word bön, which means a prayer or request. This makes sense, as something that's seen as a boon might be something you'd wish or pray for. It's always helpful to know synonyms, or words that have similar meanings. Some synonyms for boon include blessing. The rainfall was a blessing for the parched crops. Benefit. The new policy is a benefit to employees. Advantage. Having prior experience is an advantage in job interviews. Remember, while these words can be used in place of boon, the context in which you're speaking or writing will help determine the best word to use. To get a better grasp, let's see some more examples. 1. The new library is a boon to the community. 2. Many see the rise of online shopping as a boon, while others miss the experience of traditional shopping. 3. For night owls, flexible working hours are a boon. There you have it. Now, you not only know what boon means but also its origins, synonyms, and how to use it in various contexts. We hope this lesson has been beneficial, or should we say, a boon, to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!